Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at PLRSites. Now this is a brand new software. It's gonna let you guys create your very own PLR membership website, just like PLRdatabase.net. So this is the PLRdatabase.net. You'll be able to create this kind of website. And by the way guys, this right here is your website looks like. This is the exact look and feel of your website, but you can customize the color, the logos, and everything guys. You can customize the footer right here, but this is your website looks like, and it's really beautiful website. And this is a website from PLRdatabase.net, and you can easily create this PLR membership website using PLRSites Builder. It's a really powerful software, and the best part about this guys is that your website is fully loaded with 25,000 ready to sell PLR products as your own product, and keep 100% of the profit, which means you can put your own pricing into this 25,000 done for you ready to sell PLR products as your own. And you can connect your PayPal and Stripe using this payment integration right here. This is where you put your PayPal ID, your Stripe credentials, your publish key and secret key right here. This is where you do it. Now it's a really simple and easy to use dashboard guys. It is not really complicated to create this website, and just like I said, this is all done for you, and it's all automated. You don't need to update this site yourself because it's all automated, self-updating PLR membership website, right? So now before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how to create a website inside of this software, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out get great result with making money online. Now all of my bonuses guys are custom crafted. These are case studies of me generating results with different kind of strategies in making money with affiliate marketing. All right, my bonus number one guys is I'm going to show you how I generate $70 to $100 per day from ClickBank using only free traffic. I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step process on how I did this, what funnel that I use, how I drive free traffic, and then I'm going to show you guys what offer that you should promote. This is the exact offer that I promote. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this bonus number one. That way you can generate $70 to $100 per day with this strategy. It's really powerful guys, and this is the proper way to do affiliate marketing. All right, so that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two guys, I'm going to show you how to make a minimum of $10 per day without any skills. Plus I'm going to give you access guys to this automated software. That way you don't need to do this manually, and this automated software will do the heavy lifting for you, and you can make like a minimum of $10 per day, and you can scale this to $20 to $30 per day to whatever money you want to make. Right, so that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three guys, I'm going to show you a case study on how I'm able to generate $112 from Quora using this unique twist. This is really powerful guys. This is not a comment, this is really powerful. This is gonna blow your mind guys, and you can promote any kind of offers with this method. This is really powerful, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna show you a case study on how I'm able to generate $30 using a set and forget free targeted traffic source guys. It's gonna blow your mind as well, and you can promote any kind of offers, and you can drive unlimited amount of traffic using the set and forget free traffic source guys. And just like I said, you can promote any kind of offer using this free targeted traffic. My next bonus for you guys, I'm going to show you a case study on how I make $100 over and over again just by chatting to my email. This is a case study guys. I have this 10-minute video guys showing you live in front of your eyes on how I'm able to generate $100 just by chatting using my email. This is really powerful, right? Next bonus guys, I'm going to show you how to make recurring monthly commissions from ClickBank. I have this 10-minute video guys showing you exactly step-by-step process, how to create a funnel, how to drive fast targeted traffic guys, and I'm going to show you exactly what product that you should promote, because there's a lot of products out there in ClickBank that you can promote. But in this video tutorial guys, in this step-by-step video training, I'm going to show you how to make recurring commissions from ClickBank, and to get really fast result guys, I'm going to show you how to drive targeted traffic really fast traffic with this method. And if you guys wanted to have in a one-on-one live session, I can also do that. If you wanted to have in a call, we can talk about what are the problems that are preventing you to make money online. And of course, all vendor bonuses, and you get access to that inside of your account. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you would love to pick up PLRSites, through the link down in the description of this video. Now when you guys click that link, this will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. That then says brand new self-updating PLR site creator that comes with 25,000 PLR products ready to sell as your own products. Alright, now let me show you guys inside the dashboard of PLRSites and see the power of this, and you know how easy it is to create this website. And just like I said, you don't need to create this from scratch because this is all automated. It's basically click on create new right here, and it's gonna let you guys create this brand new website, adding like, you know, your URL right here to whatever the name of the website or the name of your PLR site. This is where you do it. The title of your website, the keyword, if you wanted to add like keyword, the description right here, you can add in like a logo. This is where you upload that logo, and a five icon, you can add in the pub icon right here, logo text. You know, you can also add like choose a font style of your website right here. This is where you do it, and you would change the color of your website. This is where you choose the color. You can also use a theme color right here, guys, and you also customize the theme footer or the footer settings. Footer text right here. You can also add like social media like Facebook, Google, you know, Google Plus, Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube, guys. There are tons of social media that you can add right here, and this is where you click on this update right here or generate right here, and it will automatically generate your website, and you'll be able to see all your website, see the list of your website right in your dashboard right here. So this one right here. Now when you guys click on this icon right here, it's gonna let you guys view your website and just live on the search engine right here. And this is a really beautiful website right here, guys, and just like I said, all these products is done for you. Now the only concern that I have with PLRSites Builder though is that you cannot add your custom domain within the dashboard or within the settings of this software, but you can purchase your custom domain, guys, and redirect your domain into this PLR sites right here, right? So that's an option if you wanted to purchase your own custom domain. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and it's really powerful software. And also you can also integrate your Autoresponder or email marketing software right here. So these are some of the email marketing software that you can integrate with PLRSites. You can integrate with GetResponse, MailView, MailChimp, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, SendFax, and Sendio. Alright, so these are all of the email marketing software that you can integrate with the PLRSites. Alright, and just like I said, guys, if you guys would love to pick it up, through the link down in the description of this video. I'm gonna make sure, guys, that you get access to all of these bonuses right here, and I'm gonna give you access as well, guys, to Sendio, because you can integrate Sendio with PLRSites, right? So this right here, Sendio is another 3-in-1 email marketing software. I'm gonna give you access this as well if you guys would love to pick it up, through the link down in the description of this video. So yeah, those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick it up, PLRSites, through the link down in the description of this video. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.